All right. Gather around, folks. Listen up, hustlers and dreamers. This is your wake-up call. Want to make some serious cash? I'm talking about real money, not just pocket change, like $500 every single day. Imagine what you could do with that kind of money. And no, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. This isn't about luck or chance. I'm talking about the future. I'm talking about AI, the technology that's revolutionizing the world. Yeah, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. It's not just some sci-fi movie anymore. It's here, it's now, and it's transforming industries. It's here, it's real, and it's ready to make you money. Real, tangible money that you can count. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. Anyone can do it. We're talking about simple, easy-to-use AI tools that anyone can master. No tech wizardry required. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, this is for you. AI is your ticket to financial freedom. It's the key to unlocking a new level of income. So buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the world of AI money-making. It's going to be a thrilling ride. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and watch those dollar signs roll in. This is your moment to shine. Start brainstorming, start planning, and get ready to take action. The future is in your hands. With AI, the possibilities are endless. You can create, innovate, and most importantly, earn. Imagine checking your bank account and seeing those numbers grow. It's not a dream, it's a reality you can achieve. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI and start making that $500 every single day. The future is bright, and it's waiting for you. Let's make it happen together. Let's cut to the chase. AI is changing the game. It's automating tasks, creating new opportunities, and yes, it's making people a whole lot of money. Think about it. AI can write articles, create stunning visuals, even compose music. And guess what? People are willing to pay top dollar for this AI-generated content. Businesses need it, marketers crave it, and you can be the one to deliver it. The demand is there, the tools are readily available, and the earning potential is limitless. So why not jump on this AI money train and see where it takes you? It's time to ditch the doubts, embrace the future, and start building your own AI-powered income stream. Okay, so you're ready to dip your toes into the AI money pool, but you're not a tech whiz? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed by the idea of using advanced technology, but the truth is, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. In fact, some of the most powerful AI tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone, regardless of their tech skills. No problem. There are tons of beginner-friendly AI tools out there that are as easy to use as your grandma's favorite social media app. Imagine the simplicity of scrolling through your favorite social media feed, but instead, you're harnessing the power of AI to make money. These tools are designed with intuitive interfaces and straightforward functionalities, making them perfect for beginners. Need to write captivating content? Check out AI writing assistants like Jasper or Copy.ai. These platforms are incredibly versatile and can help you with a variety of writing tasks. Whether you need to draft an email, write a blog post, or create engaging social media content, these AI tools have got you covered. They use advanced algorithms to understand your needs and generate high-quality text in seconds. They'll help you craft compelling articles, blog posts, and even social media captions in a flash. Imagine having a personal writing assistant that never gets tired and can produce content at lightning speed. This means you can focus on other important aspects of your business or personal projects, while the AI handles the writing. Want to create eye-catching visuals? Look no further than AI art generators like DALL-E 2 or Midjourney. These tools are revolutionizing the way we create digital art. With just a few clicks, you can generate stunning images and illustrations that would take hours to create manually. Whether you're a professional artist or just someone who enjoys dabbling in digital art, these AI tools can significantly enhance your creative process. These bad boys can whip up stunning images and illustrations from simple text prompts. All you need to do is describe what you want, and the AI does the rest. It's like having a professional artist at your beck and call, ready to bring your ideas to life. This can be incredibly useful for creating marketing materials, social media posts, or even personal projects. And hey, if you're feeling extra creative, explore AI music generators like Amper Music or Jukebox. These tools are perfect for anyone who loves music but doesn't have the time or skills to compose their own. With AI music generators, you can create original soundtracks, jingles, and even full-length songs without ever touching a musical instrument. You can create original soundtracks and jingles without ever touching a musical instrument. Just input your preferences, and the AI will generate music that matches your style and mood. This can be a game changer for content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs custom music for their projects. See? Easy peasy. These tools do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters most, raking in that sweet, sweet AI cash. With these user-friendly AI tools, you can unlock new opportunities and streamline your workflow, making it easier than ever to achieve your goals. So why wait? Dive into the world of AI and start making money today. Now that you've got your AI tools locked and loaded, it's time to set up shop. This is where the magic begins. Your workspace is your command center, so make sure it's organized and inspiring. A clutter-free environment can boost your productivity and creativity, and start bringing in the dough. But don't worry, it's easier than you think. First things first, figure out your niche. This is crucial because it will define your target audience and the type of content you'll create. Spend some time brainstorming and researching, look at market trends, analyze competitors, and identify gaps that you can fill. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? Find the sweet spot where your interests and the demands of the market intersect. This is your golden opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it will be to stand out in a crowded market. Once you've got your niche, it's time to find your customers. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to connect with potential clients. These platforms have a vast pool of clients looking for specialized skills, and your AI-generated content can be a game changer for them. Make sure your profile is professional and highlights your unique selling points. Looking for AI-generated content. Social media is another powerful tool for marketing your services. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram can help you reach a broader audience. Share your work, engage with your followers, and build a community around your brand. The more visible you are, the more opportunities you'll attract. And remember, consistency is key. The more you create, the better you'll get, and the more money you'll make. Set a schedule and stick to it. Regularly update your portfolio, seek feedback, and continuously improve your skills. Over time, you'll build a reputation that will attract higher-paying clients. So get out there, hustle hard, and watch your AI empire grow. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Your dedication and hard work will pay off, and soon you'll see your efforts transform into tangible results. AI side hustle superstar. Meet Sarah, a single mom who was struggling to make ends meet working a dead-end job. She knew she needed a change, but she didn't have any specialized skills or a ton of free time. Then, she discovered the world of AI. Sarah started experimenting with AI writing assistants, using them to create blog posts and website copy for small businesses. She was amazed by how easy the tools were to use, and how quickly she was able to produce high-quality content. Word of mouth spread, and soon Sarah had a steady stream of clients. She was able to quit her job, set her own hours, and spend more time with her kids, all thanks to the power of AI. AI art master John's raking in the dough. John, a struggling artist, always dreamed of making a living from his passion. But traditional art was a tough market and he was having trouble finding his footing. Then, he stumbled upon AI art generators. John was blown away by the possibilities. He started experimenting with different prompts and styles, creating stunning digital artwork that was both unique and commercially viable. He began selling his AI-generated art online, and to his surprise, people loved it. Now John is a successful AI artist, selling his prints, merchandise, and even NFTs. His work has been featured in online galleries and publications, and he's finally able to support himself doing what he loves. The AI content machine. Maria's got it figured out. Maria, a college student with a knack for writing, was always looking for ways to make extra cash. She heard about the growing demand for AI-generated content and decided to give it a shot. Maria started using AI writing assistants to create blog posts, articles, and even social media captions for businesses. She quickly realized that she could produce high-quality content at a much faster rate than she could on her own. With her newfound AI superpowers, Maria was able to take on more clients and increase her income significantly. She's now using her earnings to pay for her tuition and build a bright future for herself. Your AI adventure starts now. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching. Go ahead and check out our SAI Mastery Lab channel for more videos.